Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com. I'm here to talk to you about Jupiter in Aquarius. And people with Jupiter in Aquarius are usually great scientists and also can do really well in careers related to finance. People with this placement are often very scientific, future-minded thinkers. They also like to uplift society with their future-minded ideas. They will put a lot of effort into what they do and there can be a lot of setbacks with them. So they need to learn to just be patient and keep moving forward. And a person with this placement can have a partner that can be in the scientific field or financial field. And also, they may have to take extra effort to make their marriage work and their partnerships work. And that's my analysis of Jupiter in Aquarius.